Would you like to define dynamic values and create a translation for a template in ServiceNow? Rely on NoCode PDF, the tool for the simple, multilingual creation of corporate design documents in ServiceNow. Save time and increase the efficiency of your output management. Now back to our tutorial. Starting with this document template, you see that all values on this template need to be edited by hand until now. With NoCode PDF, we can use record fields to dynamically set the values on the PDF. With our drag and drop function, we can easily place the fields into the editor. For example, you can easily drag and drop relevant information, like a customer's address, from the template elements directly into the HTML editor. Simply search for the data field you need and drop it right into place. To insert today's date, NoCode PDF provides a built-in constant that automatically updates to the current date. Simply create a basic block by assigning a name and using the ID date, today. In the Content tab, you can customize your preferred date format before saving. Once created, you can search for the block and verify the output in the preview before dropping into the editor. If everything looks good, simply drag and drop it into the editor. We now want to create a dynamic field for the salutation of the letter's recipient. To set the salutation, we create a new conditional block. Using the sys_user table, we have access to all the user's fields. If we set the condition to look at the prefix, if it's one of the following, Ms., Mrs., or Mr. If a prefix is found, the system uses the conditional content to display, hello, prefix, last name. If the user doesn't have a prefix, it simply defaults to, good day. Now you can just drag the newly created block into the editor, and you're all set. This letter confirms the customer's new address. To ensure accuracy, the new address is included in the body of the letter by dragging and dropping the customer address fields into the template. To complete the template, you can now add a dynamic field for the sender's name. First, create a basic block where the sender name is defined. Enter current user as the name and set the constant ID to current user. Display. This ensures the system always displays the active user's name. Under the Content tab, configure how the name should appear in the template. Then save your changes. You can now search for this new field under Template Elements and drag and drop it directly into your template. In the preview, you can view the fully generated PDF with all dynamic fields applied. The key advantage is that the template dynamically pulls real-time data directly from your ServiceNow instance, ensuring your documents are always up to date and eliminating any risk of outdated information. As shown here, the default content, good day, is currently used for the salutation. To change greetings, click on the preview record to open it and change the prefix field. For example, from none to Mr. After updating the preview, you will see that the salutation automatically updates to Mr. Booker. We hope this tutorial on creating dynamic fields was helpful. Next, we will cover the second topic: how to easily translate your templates into other languages to ensure seamless international communication. This can be done directly within the English HTML template you just created. Simply navigate to the HTML Content Translations tab and create a new translation record. In the editor, all dynamic fields are preserved exactly as previously defined. You can either translate the text line by line directly in the editor or paste your German translation into the field. Once saved, your fully translated German template is ready to use. To test the output, you can go now to the tab, Preview, and set the preview language to our new record as an example for German. Once you update the preview, you will see the successfully translated document instantly, ready to be generated. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email to nocodepdf@arctiv.ch or through our website arctiv.ch. Goodbye and see you in the next tutorial.